Hey, hi there, Manisha. So I saw that you're looking for web scraping job, and yeah, I can assist you with that. So I have a really good solution available called Browse AI, and I worked on that. Plus, along with that, I can write any sort of Python script as well. So these Python script can go and directly scrap data from any of the web page. So here I'm going to showcase you one of the example I have done. This AI is called Browse AI, and here I created an actor. So one of my client wanted to scrap data from this particular website. Now, the problem is this support RSS feed. However, the RSS doesn't get the entire data. It was just getting this basic part. And over here, if you'll see this entire scenario on make.com, so this description or the title just comes like this, only these two lines. So what they wanted to scrap the whole article, whole content from the website. So here I use something called the Browse AI, and here we can create a task. So run the script, the entire thing, and based upon a particular target URL, and over here we are getting the entire content. So for example, let's say if I see the output of this particular page, here we go in result, capture text, blog, and we have the entire content coming out in this proper format, without any HTML, without any such extra values. And then I added this into a proper ChatGPT module, so to create content and then create image, and then finally post it out across all the social media platforms. So yeah, these kind of automations I can do. Like as I said, scrapping can be done various ways. We can write Python script, we can go with tools like RSS Feed or even Browse AI, kind of AI based platforms. So do let me know if this excites, and I'm more than happy to assist you with your own automation requirement to scrap the web. So yeah, let me know. Let's connect on the call, and let's discuss in more details. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.